Yeah, I'm back with the oyster, and I think I should, and I think I own you that little thing here now. Check this out. Now it's been cooked. Look, the stone is still there, the oyster is still there, but as you can see, yeah, it just gave up. Look, it's just opened up. Now, obviously turn off the gas, always save the gas. And now, let's just take that boiling water, put it here, so you guys can have a look that I'm not talking about like Mickey Mouse or stuff like that. Yeah, and look, boom, it opened up. Now, of course it's cooked, but this is a cooked oyster, my friends. It doesn't need to be okay, that's cool. Right, okay, now that was a nice piece of work from me, I must admit, because now my problem is completely solved. But look, can you see? Hopefully. Yeah, this is it. And this is basically the oyster, yeah? This is the oyster I just found on a rock, part of England. I will share it with you if you pay me a beer. The link is in the description, and then you can go travel to this place and collect oysters, which are 70p each in the supermarket, farmed. Now these are wild oysters, nobody farmed those. So pay me a beer, in the description link is there, or a coffee or whatever, and I tell you the place. I think it's very, very fair.